This is 2D Design with Rob Colvin. I'm going to show you another way to make shapes for this assignment on organic and geometric line and shape. So first I want to get my pen tool, so I'm going to press P on the keyboard. And I want to go up here and make sure it's in shape, not path this time. Remember, we were using the path option in the other video, but here we're going to use the shape option. And the fill, I want it to be black. And the stroke, I want it to be turned off. So I have the slash. So I will go down here to shape here. I'm going to click and drag. Notice there's a bit of a curve here, so I want a curve. So I'm going to click here. I'll go up to approximately where that shape is there. But I wish I could see the inside of that shape, so I could actually turn off my fill right now. I could go back in there. Notice I have a curve here. First I'm going to click, then I'm going to click and drag. And I'm going to press Command so I can adjust that curve. Then I'm going to complete my shape. Let's see, I have a shape here. Then I can go back up to fill and I can change it to black. So now you can see I have a completed shape. So I'm going to press return. And I have the shape that I want, but I'm going to look closer and I can see, I wish I'd gone a little bit thicker there. So I can press P again for the pen tool, and I can press Command and click on the shape. I can grab that point and move it down, and it is fixed, and I can press return. So that is another way you can do line and shape in Photoshop. So I'm going to show you some other options. So I can press L for the lasso tool. Now what I want here is my polygonal lasso tool. And I'm going to go here. Difference between the pen tool and the polygonal tools, I'm not going to be able to get a curve here. It's just going to be a straight line. So if you want a curve, you would want to use the pen tool. So you can see that I'm making that shape. I'm going to make a new layer. And I'm going to go to Edit, and I'm going to Fill. And I'm going to choose background color, because if you look here, my background is black. So I'll just click OK and Command D to deselect, and I can have a shape there that is working for me. Another option you can do, so I'm going to get my marquee tool. I'm choose the elliptical marquee. Click and drag, and I can make a circle or an ellipse really. And I'm going to make another layer to put that on. So I'm going to go to Edit and Fill again, and I'm going to click OK because it's the background color, which is black. And I'm going to click OK, and there we go. Command D to deselect. Another option I can use with the elliptical marquee tool is I can make an ellipse here, approximately that size. You can see it doesn't quite line up, but I can change that. So I'm going to make another layer. And I'm going to go to Edit, and I'm going to fill it. Remember, it's still set to the background layer, but my background is now white because I must have switched them. So I can choose the foreground color, black, click OK. And since it's a separate layer, I can do, well, first I'm going to do Command D to deselect, and I'm going to, cut out the circle that's similar to what we have going on here. So if I do Command X, you can see that it is cut right out, and I'm going to do Command T and sline it that way. Brush return, and there I have another shape. That's it for this one. Remember, variety and contrast will make your line and shape more interesting.